guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I just wanted to sit down and do a really easy tutorial for you guys, just so you can take some tips from it or even just follow along with it or just simply watch and whatever you want to do. I just wanted to bring to you my go-to makeup look. So I either wear this look when I'm going out on a night time and I just want to do something like really basic, or I still do want to wear makeup in the day. Sometimes I do wear this makeup look in the day, just minus the lashes. So honestly, I don't wear lashes in the day, I just wear them for night time. So if you want to follow this look for the night time, go ahead, apply the lashes. If you want to keep it minimal, you don't have to apply the lashes. It looks just as beautiful with or without the lashes, and honestly this look just suits every skin tone going. So yeah, if you want to see how I get my go-to makeup look, then please keep on watching and make sure you hit that big subscribe button so you can be a part of my family, and don't forget to hit that big bell notification button so you'll be notified when I upload another tutorial, and just so you don't miss out. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into this tutorial. Okay guys, so I'm going to start off by prepping my face with the Urban Decay Prep and Prime Spray, and then I'm going to go in with the Pixie by Petra Glow Mist. This will just get my face ready for all the foundation application, just so it goes on really smooth. And then I'm just going to bounce that in with a dry beauty blender, just so I know it's sunk into my skin really nice and good. Then I'm going to prime my eyes using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade shade 15, sorry. I'm liking using concealer lately just to prime my eyes. I just think it works better than eye primer sometimes. And then I'm going to set that in place using my number 7 face powder in the shade Medium. Now for the eyes, I just like to keep them really simple and minimal for the day. So I'll go in with the Tart Cosmetics bronzer in the shade Hotel Heiress. I still can't pronounce that name, but I am literally buffing this in to my crease, and then I'll just apply it all over my lid, just so my lid has also got a bit of colour as well. And then just to make it all look very seamless, I'm just going to go in with the big fluffy brush we set our eyes with no extra product on the brush, and literally just blending it up to my brow bone so it looks nice and blended and seamless. And then for eyelashes, I went in with the Eyelure lashes in collaboration with Cheryl Cole. You can probably tell that I use these eyelashes on a day-to-day basis because I absolutely love them. They're very nice and natural, but once they're drying, I'm just prime my face using the Optical Illusion Blurring Primer by Urban Decay Cosmetics. I literally focus this in my T-zone, and then I wait for that to dry for a couple of seconds, and then I'll go in with the Photo Finish Primer by Smashbox. And now for them lashes that have gone a little bit tacky now, I'll be applying these with my eyelash applicator. So I always start from the middle, and then I attach the end and then my inner corner, and then I just pinch them to my natural lashes. Just be careful you don't pinch your skin, because honestly I've done that like 1,000 times and it still hurts. Then the foundation today, I'm going to be using these two by L'Oreal. The first one is the Infallible one, and this is a 24-hour one, and this is in 120 Vanilla. This is a little bit too dark for me, so then I mix it in with the L'Oreal one, which is in the shade Ivory, I believe. And then these two literally work together. When I mix these two together, it literally makes the perfect shade for me, and it's not too cakey. It is full coverage, but it's very lightweight as well, so I always love wearing this foundation for the day. And then mixing in two of my favourite drugstore concealers, which is the Revolution one. It's a little bit too dark for me, so I then mix it in with that same Fit Me concealer that we applied on our eyes to use as a primer. And then I'll be blending that out with a damp beauty blender, and then as you can see, I'm just highlighting and concealing my areas of my face, what I always do. And then for baking today, I'll be using the Fit Me translucent powder, also by Maybelline, and I absolutely love this powder. Literally, I cannot live without it lately. And then to remove all that baking and to set my face further, I'll just be going back in with my pressed powder from number 7 in the shade Medium once again. Then I'm going to go in with the colour correcting pearls from Avon. Literally, these are so good. They always bring my face back to life after I've used like the bunch of translucent powders, and it also gets rid of any of the excess white residue off the translucent powder. Then moving back to my eyes, I'm just going to be applying that same bronzer underneath my lower lash line just to add some definition underneath there. You don't need to do that, but literally I cannot walk out the house with eyeshadow on my eyes unless there is eyeshadow underneath my lower lash as well. And then I'll just be coating my lashes using a number 7 mascara. This is the Lash Impact one. It is so good. So I'll be applying it to my tops and bottom lashes. And then for bronzer today, I'll be using that same Tart bronzer that we applied on our lids. I don't really contour in the day. I just really want to look nice and glowy and bronzy. So yeah, it's literally all I do. And then to bronze a little bit more, I went in with the Avon True bronzing pearls in the shade Cool. I just love these bronzing pearls from Avon. Like, they're very, very affordable, and they just add a really nice colour to my cheeks. So yeah, I'll be using them. And then for blush today, I'll be using the blush from I Heart Makeup. You can get this off Tambeauty's website. It's just like a really nice subtle rosy blusher, so I absolutely love this one as well. And then to set my brows in place, I'll be using the brow setter from Maybelline. This is in the shade Dark Brown. I believe it's like really, really good. Like, whenever I feel my eyebrows after I apply these, like, they feel like super glued to my face. I literally don't move whatsoever. And then I'll just be cutting that bronzer just to clean it up a little bit with the same Fit Me Maybelline translucent powder. And then for highlight today, I've actually picked this trick up from Jacqueline Hill because it's really, really good. She gets her beauty blender and then dips it into a highlighter, and then it adds like a really nice subtle glow. So I always like to put highlighter on my face, but I don't like it like really beaming for the day, so I always use a beauty blender now. And then I'll be highlighting my brow bone and my inner corner as well. And then for lips today, I'll be lining my lips in the shade number 5 from Berry. And then for lipstick today, the first one I'm going to go in with is the Vivid Matte Liquid, also by Maybelline, and this is in the shade 50 Nude Frill. And then I wanted to add a little bit of gloss, so I went in with the Makeup Revolution lip gloss, and this is in the shade It's My Life. And then I'm just going to fix my hair because it was a little bit messy because I came home from work and literally I'm not talking to myself or laughing to myself. Jake actually found me whilst I was recording, so don't think I'm going a little bit cray cray here, because I'm not. But then once I've fixed my hair, I'll then be setting my face using the Pixie by Petra glowing mist. I love this stuff because it's really good to put underneath your makeup. It's also good stuff to put on top of your face once you've applied all your makeup, because it makes it like really glow, but it also makes your makeup last all day and night. So guys, this is the end result. Thank you so much for watching. It was really nice to sit down and do a casual makeup look. So yeah guys, if you enjoyed watching it, make sure you give this tutorial a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also hit the big bell button down below so you'll be notified and so you don't miss out on any more of my tutorials when I upload. But yeah, that's all I have to say for today, other than I love you all so much, and hopefully I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye guys!